Welcome on Python desktop application development with Qt. In this video, I'll talk about signal and slots. Sometimes you create a window containing a button and you want when you press this button something happens. In this video, I'll show you how to make this thing. Let's create a new file here. Give it signal slot, then hit OK. Let's create an empty window from PyQt4.qt core import asterisk, then from PyQt4.qt GUI import asterisk, then import system. Let's create a Q application object, Q application, give it sys.argv. Then let's create an empty window. It is a Q widget. Let's show this window using show method, and let's create our app main loop app.exec. Now if we run our code, we will see an empty window. As I said before last videos, let's create a button equal to Q push button. The Q push button, as I said before, takes the first argument is the Q widget. The second argument is the button text login. Then let's move this button using move method to, and let's resize this button using resize method to. Let's run our app. This is our button here, login. Let's make this look. What if you want to execute something when you press this button, login? This is what we can call it signal and slots. Signal is the button click, and slot is the function which will be executed when you press this button. Let's create a function here to print something on our screen here. Def button clicked. Print. This function will print on our screen only this word, button clicked. What if you want when you press login button, this function is being executed on this screen. Let's do this. The name of our button dot clicked. Remove this dot connect. There is no autocomplete for connect, so you have to write it manually. Then give it here the name of your function, button clicked. Make sure that you remove this right here. If we run our app, look here, this is an empty. I clicked, button clicked. If I clicked again, button clicked, clicked, print this button clicked. This function button clicked is a slot which is being executed when you execute the signal button clicked here. When you press here, this function is being executed. Let's show you another example about signal slots. let's add here a Q slider equal to Q slider. Here the Q slider takes the first argument is our Q widget window, and the second one I'll keep it like this. Then slider dot move to, this is our slider. Let's move it more. This here. This is our slider here. Let's give this slider a value. Slider dot set value. Here on you can see the value of our slider here. What if you want, when I click this button, the value of the slider is being increased by 10 values. I'll create here slider dot set value like this. Let's run our app. Now you can see the value of our slider is being this value, but when I click on this screen, I'll see button clicked word, then the value of the slider will be increased. Let's click on this button, click. You can see this value has been changed, and this word is being printed on the screen. Let's review what I have done this video. At first, I create a Q application object. I create a simple window, an empty window using a Q widget. Then I create a button and move it using move method, and change its size using resize method. Then I create a slider and give it this value using set value method. Then I create our float here, our function, which will print a button clicked on our screen and will change the value of our slider. Then I connect this function with our button using clicked.connect. This is the output. When you run, you can see when I press here, this value changed and the button clicked is printed. Hope you like this video, and see you next time.